This is Liberty stock number 51375. It's a Doosan PUMA 2600 2-axis CNC lathe. Serial number ML0101-000550. Has a Fanuc Series I control, SMW auto block, compensating pull down chuck, and 2 SMW self-setting stutter rests. Alright.
Yeah, let's walk around and show a little bit of the machine, and it's already under power. We'll fire it up. There we go. We got that disconnected so we can run and open, so that stays there. Got the whole inside pretty much tooled the way it came to us. Got the auto block. Couple tools in the turret there. Wait with that, I'm going to bring that forward.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll bring it forward.
Well, let's go. I'll follow you. Show me around. Yep.
Go this way, there's more room. Paint control, instrument panel. Got cardboard on the floor because obviously the conveyor's not in there to catch all our lubrication.
Okay.
Come around this side, got the air package, with more lubrication. Got the main covers for the back all standing on the side here. You could walk around back there and show that. And you maybe take a peek in the electric panel and we'll move on.
Do you want me to go this way?
No, go this way. Go this way, yeah. I just got them partially closed. They'll pop right open.
Okay.
You show the back end here. There you go. Hydraulic system running at 5.0 down there. And we left them off just to take a look in here. Box ways are right in front of you.
Yeah, the ways look great.
Yeah, the Z's, yeah. They got a little oil film on them, but actually, yeah, they're pretty nice shape here. They really are. And the panel, pop that open, let it swing open a little bit. There you go. Watch yourself. We just leave these open, yeah. That's my temp coming in. I think I'm on 208.
Oh boy.
Yep.
It's tight.
Yeah. It's all in. It's all good. You want to walk out that way, you can.
It's good.
Yep. Go ahead. I got the doors. Conveyor plug. Foot pedals down low. That's about it. You want to come on in the work envelope?
Yeah.
We can do a few things. In fact, I just do the foot pedals right away. The hydraulics are running. I can chuck, unchuck right now, I believe. Right here. Might want to get close in. You see them okay, dude? You don't see you don't see a lot of movement. I'm gonna chuck up on. There we go. You good with that? Flip over to the tailstock. I'll bring that out some on the quill. Back out again. Stay right there. The auto blocks, if you want to show the buttons right here, left and right. This is where I'm hitting, just so you know, steady rest. Somebody painted L and R, works for me. I'll do L first, close open, and I'll do right. You got it? Here we go. And the right one. That's all the hydraulics on the machine. The rest is, of course, axis movement. I'll bring the X in and jog. We'll come on over. I'll bring in Z. Let me bring in Z. And a little bit more rapid, maybe. Kind of comes in real nice. Go back out again. And I'm going to go back in the middle here so I can index and get the tools out of the way. Right about there, maybe? Right about there. I'm on 3, I'm gonna call for whatever. 11, let's see. And one more time. We got some water coming out of there. I'll do one now, just a single. The other way. That works good. And X down, maybe. Yeah, let's do that. And you wanted to get the oil before. I think you might have over-traveled. Let me see. I did. There we go. And I'll bring that over one more time if you want.
Just gonna look
If you want to, yeah. So
Yeah.
I think we got some oil going on down there. Yeah, that was good. That's why I got the cardboard on the floor. So.
Yep. Is the tailstock back all the way right now?
No, I was just going to show you. See the pin down there? It's a push and pull. There's the lockup right there. If you see my finger.
Yeah, I do.
And now look down in there. Okay.
Yeah, I see it.
Watch. Just keep the camera there. Seeing that?
Yep.
So it's a hitch and pull type tailstock, obviously. That goes right up into the X slide, and you drag it and drop it and lock it, and that's it. So, to the best of my knowledge. So that said, I can reference return the X. You'll let it go back. And Z. Get that out of the way. And turn on the spindle, I guess. Where are we at? I'm down around, I don't know where I programmed it for, but in manual I should still be able to run it. Forward, start. That is at 900. I'll stop and start one couple times. I'm going to take it up a little bit to 1200. 18. 21.
Sounds good.
Yeah, we'll close the door a little bit just in case it throws out some water. One more time. It's 2500. We'll stop it right there at full speed. Actually, it's not full speed. I don't know what this goes to. 4? Okay, we're up there pretty high.
Oh, 3,500, I'm sorry. Yep.
Okay, one more time up. I didn't warm it up, so I'm not going to take it to the top. I only ran it for about 15 minutes.
That's good.
2,700?
That's good.
One more time. All the stuff really is the pulse generator, so, and that's this here for what it's worth. You can just kind of see it moving here. And Z, there we go. So, moves well. That's that, of course.
Yeah,
yeah, it's just, it works. A little bit at a time. And I think that's everything. The servo motor does work on the door. I've just got it disconnected right now so we can leave it open. All the hydraulics work. That's pretty much it, Pete. I mean, just for...
That was well done. That's good.
Yeah. Sucking pressure's down low and